channel. I hope everyone must be doing great these days. If you are new here, then hi, I am Ananya. Welcome to my YouTube channel and please kindly do me a favor by subscribing to my channel and tap the notification right next to the subscribe button so that you will get a notification when I uploaded a video on my channel. So yes, after brown and red, now it's time to show you all my nude lipstick collection. This video is my most favorite video because I just love to wear nude kind of shades, and after brown, if I have any go-to kind of shades, then nude is my all-time favorite go-to kind of shades, and I love to share my nude collections with you all guys. So yeah, without further ado, any delay, let's get started. So from my last two videos, like you just need a good lip balm before applying any kind of lipstick, and if you have not checked my red liquid lipstick collections and brown lipstick collections, then I will give the link in the description box. Don't forget to check that out if you are new to my channel or if you are seeing this video for the first time on my channel. So yeah, also let's check that out. I will provide all the links. So now it's time for start the nude lipstick collection, and I will start the video with my most favorite nude lipstick. Like whatever the lipstick I am going to show you today, this is my most favorite nude lipstick and I use it in every single day. Like whenever I posted a story on Instagram or whatever, like the shade is on my lips is this particular shade, and this one is none other than the Wet n Wild matte liquid lipstick, and the lipstick looks like this. And this one is in the shade Give Me Mocha. Like I don't know how many of you know about Wet n Wild Give Me Mocha shade, but this one is a trending shade, and I don't think I have to say much about this because this one is just amazing guys. Like if you are someone who loves to wear nude lipstick, and also at the same time if you want a lipstick which is for your college and which is for your office as well, and it does not look like applying a lipstick, this lipstick for you all. Like this one is for rupees 349, but I got it for rupees 363. Wait for any discount or any offers, and this shade is love guys. Just go and buy this. Okay, let me show you the color, and you don't feel like you have applied a lipstick. That's why this is my favorite. Can you see the color guys? Oh my god, I'm damn excited for sharing this one particularly. Okay, I told you na guys, you don't feel like you have applied a lipstick, just look at my lips. This one is the shade and I am applying it right now. Now it's time for the second lipstick which I have in my nude lipstick collection is the Sugar Cosmetics. And this is their crayon lipstick. And this one is in the shade Holy Golitli 04. And as you know, Sugar Cosmetics crayon lipsticks are always wow and stays for so long and does not feel you like you have applied a fancy lipstick on your lips. And as you know, nude lipstick will not give you that fancy look to you. So yeah, if you want a good range of crayon lipstick, then just go and try this out. Okay, now it's time for the third lipstick which I have is this Lakme Forever Matte Liquid Lip Color, and the lipstick looks like this, and said Nude Twist 19, and this one is a must have shade from Lakme Absolute. Like if you are someone who is a Lakme lipstick lover, go and grab it. And this one is just a best lipstick I have ever received from Lakme, but unfortunately I don't know why their formula does not stay so long in my lips and transfer easily. And this one is for rupees 295, but I got it for rupees 251 only because I got it from sale. Like I told you in my other previous videos, right, that Lakme gave us such amazing offers anytime, and that's why I got it for rupees 251. I will give the shade and actual price and sale price over here, so no need to worry about that. Yeah, this lipstick is just highly recommended for you all guys. That, and let me show you the color. Beautiful nude color guys, just a beautiful nude color. Yes, it does not feel like the Wet n Wild like you have applied, and it does not look like that fancy, but the color looks like this. Wow, just a pure nude kind of shade. Yeah. so the next lipstick which I have in my nude lipstick collection is this Nykaa Molten Matte Lip and Cheek color, and this one is in the shade Raquel 01, and the lipstick looks like this. एक लिपस्टिक आप लगाओगे and you won't feel like you have applied a lipstick, which is the best part about this lipstick. But I found only negative part about this lipstick is this does not stay so long. Not exactly for 1 hour. Like, can you believe, guys? Okay, I'm totally disappointed for the long-lasting formula, but the formula is amazing and does not feel like those heavy and fancy kind of shade. Just a pure nude shade, and this one is also a trending shade from Nykaa Molten Matte Lip and Cheek color, and you can use this lipstick as your blush, like yes. And the best part is their applicator. The applicator is just amazing, like L'Oreal Paris. I love this kind of applicator. Really easy for applying lipstick on your lips, as you can see. And let me show you the color, that how the lipstick color actually looks like. A complete nude shade, guys. The price is 525 rupees, but I got it for only 479 rupees on sale. Yes, the next lipstick which I have from my nude lipstick collection is the Sugar Matte Attack Transfer Proof Lipstick. Okay, let me show you the lipstick. Like yeah, lipstick looks like this, and this one is in the shade Deep Peach Mode, 10 Deep Peach Mode, and it is written here that it is completely transfer proof, and I just love their formula. And let me show you the color. The lipstick looks like this. Don't focus on this color, focus on this color, guys. Yeah, this one is the color of this Deep Peach Mode shade, and this one is for rupees 599, and I bought it from Boss Baby Kit, and I got a transfer proof sugar lipstick. Here is the lipstick. This is my free from Sugar Up, completely free. I did not pay any single rupees for this lipstick. So yeah, if you want a sugar lipstick on a a normal medium kind of shade, and this is for all skin type, it is going to suit on every skin tone. The main motive of applying nude lipstick is you don't have to show your lipstick, and along with that you have to feel your lipstick pampering. So yeah, this one is the best lipstick from Sugar I have ever received. Like उस क्रेन से मुझे ये वाला बहुत अच्छा लगा. Okay, now it's time for my another most favorite lipstick, and as you know, Maybelline has my heart, and I have their Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink Liquid Lipstick, and this one is in the shade 70 Amazonian. Like Amazonian shade जो है वो फेयर स्किन टोन के लिए थोड़ा ज्यादा सूट कर रहे हैं than the darker one. Like ऐसा नहीं है कि आप अगर डस्की स्किन टोन के हो तो just don't go for this one. Go for the another fighter shade, and that one is for every skin tone. But this particularly Amazonian shade is just for fair skin tone. I am not saying that don't buy it, but if I know the fact, then I will definitely share with you. All right, girls. So yeah, that's why I told you before that don't go for this. And this one is for rupees 650. As you know, this range of Maybelline is just for rupees 650, but I got it for rupees only 479. Can you believe, guys? And when I started making this video and I just checked the price, just for rupees 422. Can you believe, guys? Do check out Amazon and Flipkart. They are giving amazing offers, like amazing offers, literally, guys. So yeah, just if you will get it from Esplanade, Central, on any outside market complex, you will pay it for rupees 650. But if you will got it for Amazon or Flipkart or Nykaa as well, you will get it for rupees 479, 480, or if you are getting from Amazon, 422 rupees. 422 रुपीज में अगर एक कुछ भी रेंज की लिपस्टिक हो तो Maybelline is the best guys. इतना ज़्यादा long, no, I won't talk about much. I will directly show you the color because I have already talked a lot about Maybelline lipstick. You guys will going to be bored. So yeah, I don't want to get anyone bored here. So yeah, and let me show you the color of this favorite lipstick of mine. Yeah, this one is the shade guys. I just obsessed over this particular one. Like Maybelline आता है तो मेरा पता नहीं क्या हो जाता है, like excitement level एकदम से बढ़ जाता है. And this one is stays for more than 11 hours. If you don't have believe on my words, try this out. 420 rupees, just invest it. After that you will gonna answer me that am I right or wrong. So the next lipstick which I have is this Miss Claire Soft Matte Lip Cream, and the lipstick looks like this. Oh my god, this is just a pretty shade guys, and the shade is 63. Nothing is written here about the particular shade, just a number is 63, and this one is my most recommendable lipstick from my nude lipstick collections after Wet n Wild and Lakme, because this one is just an amazing shade. Does not feel you that fancy or heavy on your lips. This lipstick really stays for so long, and let me show you the color guys. Oh my god, it is a brown or dark chocolate kind of shade, but I thought this is more than nude, less than dark chocolate or brown. That's why I thought let me show the lipstick in my nude collection. Look at the shade guys. Yeah, just a pretty shade guys. And this one is also in your affordable range, like this one is for rupees 210 rupees. I got it for rupees only 180. But this one is my most recommendable lipstick for you all girls. Like just go and try this out at least for once for my recommendation. Yeah. Okay, so now it's time for the second last lipstick from my nude lipstick collection. Is this Blue Heaven non-transfer lipstick, and this one is really non-transfer. Like you can't believe the price. This is just for rupees 300. If you will get it from Amazon or Nykaa, then you will definitely get for rupees only 270 rupees. The lipstick is love guys. Just stays for 8 to 9 hours, does not transfer easily. Like होता है ना एक लिपस्टिक, जो भी आप कुछ भी खाओगे या कुछ भी ऑयली सा फूड बाहर जाके रेस्टोरेंट वगैरह में खाओगे तो which kind of things you are feeling. This is not like that. And if you are someone who loves bullet lipsticks and and at the same time you want a lipstick which is non-transfer, go and try this out. Like you will gonna love this. I don't know how to express about this lipstick, but this one is love guys, and the formula is just amazing. Okay, let me talk about the shade. This one is the 715 dark chocolate shade. Like this one is dark chocolate shade, but actually a nude color. And it has another shade which is called truffle brown. So do check truffle brown and dark chocolate shade if you are a nude lipstick lover. Let me show you the color. That how pretty shade. Can you see the color guys? Oh my god, such a pretty nude color. Girls, if you love nude, then go and try this out. This bullet lipstick from Blue Heaven. It does not. Okay, so the last lipstick from today's video is none other than this Nykaa Molten Matte Lip and Cheek color. And the lipstick looks like this. And this one is in the shade Robin 14. It is also another trending shade. Like I got to know about this shade by their trending advertisements, and I bought it for rupees only 479, but the actual price is 525, like the Raquel O shade. And yeah, this shade is staying long in my lips, but I don't know what's wrong with the Raquel O shade. Oh my god. Okay, no, let's not talk about that shade. This is the completely maroonish nude kind of shade, and does not feel that heavy, and as you know, their applicator just amused me. Let me show you the color. A beautiful nude shade, guys. Like if you are someone who loves this kind of shade, go and try Robin 14 shade. Yeah, Robin 14 shade. You're gonna love this. Wow. And the price is $4.79 and this is quite affordable as well. So you can easily try this. So yeah. So hey guys, that's all for today's video. So I shared my most favorite nude lipsticks with you all and I hope you will like this video. And if you like the video, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button as well, and also let me know in the comment section below that which lipstick you would like the most from my nude lipstick collections. And please do me a favor by subscribe to my channel, because if people are not subscribing to my channel, as you know, subscribe is totally free. So just go and hurry up guys, subscribe to my channel. And also let me know in the comment section below that what you guys want to see next on my channel, which is the most important part for me. And yes guys, till then, bye bye, stay safe, stay happy, and see you all in my next video. Till then, bye bye.